today's problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is show that the equations y square minus 4y plus 3 this is equal to 0 and x square plus 4xy plus 4y square plus 5x plus 10y plus 4 this is equal to 0 represent straight line forming a parallelogram and find the length of the diagonals. We have to prove this four straight line forms a parallelogram and we have to find out its diagonals. That is the length of the diagonal. We first take the first pair of straight line which is given by y square minus 4y plus 3 this is equal to 0, this is 1, and clearly from 1 we write by factorizing y minus 3 into y minus 1 this is equal to 0. So two straight lines are this is y equal to 1 and y equal to 3, right? And from the second pair is x square plus 4xy plus 4y square plus 5 into x plus 2y plus 4 this is equal to 0, and this gives x plus 2y whole square plus 5 into x plus 2y plus 4 this is equal to 0, and this gives x plus 2y this is given by plus 4 into x plus 2y plus 1 this is equal to 0. So we get another two straight line which are x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 4 this is equal to 0. And now if we draw a rough sketch of this four straight line which are given by this is y equal to 1, this is y equal to 3, and these are given by this type, and this is given by x plus 2y equal to plus 1 this is equal to 0, and this is given by x plus 2y plus 4 this is equal to 0. Let it be a, b, c, d. Okay, and now since these two straight lines are parallel, also these two straight lines are also parallel. So A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay, and so this is the first proof of our problem. And for the second proof, we have to find out the point of intersection A, B, C and D. Right? To find A, we already get y equal to 1. And the another is this, so we get x plus, this is 2 plus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 3. So A is minus 3, 1. Similarly, from this we get this is y equal to 1 and x equal to this is minus 6 because minus 4 minus 2. And C is given by y equal to 3, and putting y equal to 3 then we get minus 10, and D is given by 3, y equal to 3 and x equal to is given by minus 7. Okay, now we find the length of the diagonal AC and BD. What is AC? AC mod AC this is given by AC, this means 7 square plus 2 square. So this is 49 plus 4, this is root 53 unit. And BD is given by root under, this is 1 square plus 2 square, this is root 5. So we get two diagonals which are of length root 5 and root 53, and this is a parallelogram. Okay, very simple problem and interesting problem also. Thank you for watching.